Two big things in this K-hip-hop scene has just happened. Changmo has just enlisted into the military, so he's dropped this song, which I will check out right now. But also, Dok2 has come out with a song with a music video, so we're here to check it out as well. So two reactions. Changmo, Dok2, they actually did a song together too, but I've heard the song. But if you want to see a reaction, let me know. That's not in the song today, but Changmo, Dok2, let's go. Play the intro. Whoa! Hey yo, what's up guys? Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are good. Your boy's back, aka the Dok2 that cannot rap, and today we got two reactions to check out, or two video songs to check out. My guy first is my guy Changmo has come out with the song Just the Two of Us, and this is the last song that he released before enlisting into the military and going there. I didn't even know what the song was, and then I saw this post from I forgot what post it was, but it was on Instagram. Changmo doing this, and then him shaving his head too, so that's an indication that he's going to the military. So he dropped this song, so we're checking that song out today. I didn't even know he was enlisting to the military. That's why I was so shocked by it. And he also posted, I don't know if it's a documentary or whatever, but it's an hour-long thing on Dingo. And if you guys want me to check that out, let me know in the comments, a reaction. I posted something on the community post about it, on my community post, and some of you guys wanted me to check it out. So hopefully there is English subtitles now. When I first saw it, there wasn't English subs, but I would love English subs to be on there, because then it'll be easier for me to watch and easier for you guys to watch too. But after that, we got Dok2. He just came out with a song yesterday, called, what was it called? I forgot what it was called. But he came out with a song, and there's a music video for it, and it's 5 minutes. So we're going to check that one after this. We're going to start with the Changmo and then go to Dok2, which, by the way, they did come out with a song together. Dok2 came out with a song featuring Changmo. But I have heard the song already, like on my own. But if you want me to do like a separate reaction, let me know in the comments. But let's go. If you guys are enjoying my videos, if you have not subscribed, press the subscribe button, press the bell notifications so you don't miss when I post a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram right here. Okay, Changmo, Just the Two of Us. Shout out to this person that did an English subtitle thing, because I kind of need it right now with this song. So let's go.
이렇게 둘이 이틀 더 늘 수 있다면 정말 좋았을 텐데 인생은 그리 안 돌아 바라봐 잠자는 널 Please hold me tight 이렇게 둘이 이틀 더 늘 수 있다면 정말 좋았을 텐데
Just in love,
I want you to stay.
I want you to stay
For this love.
for this love. Hey, hey.
그 어떤 사람도 한마디에 휘둘려 도망 왔어 내 사람과 호텔 방 안에서 미기적 미녀에게 돈 쓰는 타이완 됐으면 아깝지만 you're the one of my life.
Hey.
아무 걱정도 없이 그저 룰로 난 private 내줘 근심은 저게 밀어놓고 매일 예쁠까 이 에피소드 나
Hey.
눈으로 놓은 지난 1시간 반 무덤덤한 나 남자다운 척 누가 봐도 티가 나는 한숨들이 쉬어 이 때문에 술은 잔을 여린 내 속에서 홀로 때린 나는 너와 떨어지긴 너무 싫어 자고 있으면 안 돼 나의 외출이 끝날 저 가을까지만 깨워줄게 방금 잠든 널 그저 방금 일어나도 부지런히 다
Hey.
이렇게 둘이
Do it.
들어낼 수 있다면 정말 좋았을 텐데
Just in there. Hey.
잠자는 널 Please hold me tight
Hold me tight. Yeah.
이렇게 둘이 이틀 더낼 수 있다면 정말 좋았을 텐데
Hey.
I want you to stay But I
For this love.
Thank you for 그때는 너를 너의 마음 가는 대로 가 Cause the ruby necklace 대로 적적하면 차 Hold me tight, very tight, good night.
Yeah, I definitely feel like this is like a song like of him saying like bye to all the fans right now because he's like going to the military. That's why I'm curious to checking this one out.
이렇게 둘이 너는 스윗하면 정말 trust and dare
Just in there. Hey.
Want you to stay but
I cannot say. Hey. Hey. Hey.
want you to stay
But I cannot say. What is love? Hey. 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 Oh. Hey. Okay. Do it. Da 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 da. Okay. Shout out Changmo, just the two of us. Like I said, I'm curious to check this out because, like, I don't know, in the lyrics, it's like, sounds like he's talking about like a girl, but I feel like it's like something to like for the fans so that he can like leave this song, like, and then go to the military and then come back and then, you know what I'm saying? I feel like that's the message with this song, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, next song we're checking out is Dok2, and I forgot the song called, but Ocean View, I think it's called. Yeah, okay, Ocean View, and this, I guess, is not a music video, it's a meditation film, but I'm still gonna check it out because it's some kind of a music video. So, and again, there's no English subs, but maybe the song is in English because he is in LA at the moment and he has been doing English songs. But I don't know. Let's see what he can bring. I know this is the GOAT, the GOAT of Korean rap. So I know, I had to check this out. Like, he did come out with like an album and everything, but there's like no like music video or anything. So I haven't really checked out anything. But if you want me to check out more Dok2, let me know in the comments. So let's check this out. Let's see if there's English subs. There isn't. But maybe this song again is in English. Let's see. Yeah, also I really need like English subs with Dok2's music because he's a really good lyricist, and I need to like know like what he's rapping about, you know what I'm saying? This is like a meditation film, so I feel like this has some kind of a meditative lyrics. Does that make sense? I don't know. Oh. Hey. Mercedes-Benz. Hey, oh, I have heard this song already, but this is a meditative film, so whatever. Dang. Oh, day. Wait. Hey. Yeah.
They don't speak the same language. They say this
snakes so burn. They only wanna see me like it. I just needed some break, but they wanted me to go broke. Hold on, I'm just trying to be great. One day greater, one of the goats. But I'm still well respected. Legacy, my music I'm rejecting to nobody. Don't try to swallow, just go without me, I got no ladder. Time to be busy, I just wanna chill. Popping the smoke, play one of the drinks. Although I got to know none of your niggas, but I'm in that shit, the running the guilt, that's real. Love, passion. This is not a trend or fashion.
Not a trend or fashion. Hey.
Come to dinner, mama, not the chicken and chop fashion. Respect 100, keep it room and all that fuck capping.
Fuck capping. My own way. Rhyme all day. Rhyme all day. My own way. My own way. My own day. I be chillin', rhyme all day. That's what he does. He been dropping so many projects recently. He is rhyming all day and chilling at the same time. Yo, Dok2, if you want to be on a podcast episode, I'd love to chat it up one time. But he's not watching this video. Hell no.
I don't wanna cry in front of you. I let my son cry Jehovah. If you think I ain't good enough, unless I'm trying and it ain't over. Lay over through first class, trailer box to the penthouse. High river to Hollywood, I want ocean built with a backyard now. Don't hate friend, don't make sense at the end. Man, I don't blend in, I stay in my lane.
I don't blend in, I stay in my lane. Hey, that's kind of true, because I don't know if Dok2, like, because there's so many like Korean rappers now that are doing the singing rap these days, and like starting to do more singing rap. And I feel like Dok2 is the only one that's like still in his own like rap style, like hip hop style. I don't like, of course there's a singing too, but I haven't really heard him do like the singing rap style yet. But I haven't heard all the songs on the albums that he's dropped or mixtapes. But yeah, I definitely think Dok2's staying in his lane, doing his own thing. Yeah, but I don't think there's like I said, in Korea there's so many like singing rappers now that are starting to come out and starting to do more singing rap styles. But with Dok2, he's like still the same Dok2 like that I heard before him coming to America and stuff. So I'm glad that he's staying in this lane. Like I said, I don't know if he does have any like singing rap songs, but I haven't heard all the songs in his mixtapes because he came out with 2 mixtapes. But if you want me to check out another Dok2 song or more Dok2, let me know in the comments. I would love to, because he's one of my favorite artists. And yeah, let me know if I should check out, or if you want me to check out more Dok2. And also shout out to Changmo for his last song before enlist going to the military. Again, if you want me to check out his little documentary thing, I don't know if it's a documentary, but he made something that's like an hour long on Dingo. So if you want me to check that out, let me know in the comments. But other than that, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Hey, this is your outro. If you want to check out more videos, click on the screen right now. If you want to check out even more videos, go to my channel, check them out. While you're at it, subscribe right here. I'll be chilling, body rap all day. I'll be sitting, chilling, rapping all day. I was chilling my own way. I fucked up the lyrics, yeah.